Is a master's from Michigan Ross worth it? Let's find out. Well, apart from MBA, this school has two amazing master's programs. Let's start with Masters of Management first. According to the QS World University Rankings, the Masters of Management program stands at top of the list of top MIM programs in the entire United States. Now let's look at the Masters of Management curriculum, which includes business immersion, applied business statistics and analytics, applied macroeconomics, marketing management. Now the main thing, the employment data, which states 90% of the batch received job offers within just 6 months post-graduation, with a mean base salary of $70,000 per year. Now let's look at the industry-wise report, which states 5% placements in consulting, almost 12% in finance, similar recruitments in healthcare sector. Now let's start with the MSBA curriculum, which includes Introduction to Data Program, Advanced Spreadsheets, Business Immersion, Managerial and Financial Accounting. Now let's dive to the employment data, which state $84,000 median base salary, with 94% of the batch received job offers within just 6 months post-graduation. If we see industry-wise placement, then 21.9% placements in consulting with $84.5 thousand per year salary. Also 31% placements in finance with almost $80,000 per year salary. So you'll be getting good salaries in good companies for sure. So to answer the question, are these master's program really worth it? Definitely yes. So this is just one of the top B schools in the USA, but I have a list of 20 more. Do you want a full list of 20 top B schools in the USA? Just comment below with list and check your DM.